Hi guys, welcome back to the Rabbit Learning. In the previous video, we have learned escape sequences and print statement. And in this video, you are going to learn operators in Python. Create a file named operators. You can also work with the terminal, open your terminal and type Python. You should now be inside the Python REPL, read, evaluate, print loop. This is an interactive environment where you can try out Python code like a calculator. Try this. 5 plus 6 equals to 11. 8 divided by 6, 1.33. 100 minus 98 equals to 2. You can see Python can act like a calculator. You can even do print hello world. And it runs instantly. This interactive shell is called the Python REPL because it reads your input, evaluates it, prints the result, and then loops back to wait for the next command. Back to the VS Code. A equals to 54. B equals to 12. Now print A plus B equals to comma. Here's the argument A plus B. You can do the same for minus, multiplication, division, modulus, floor division, exponential as well. Run the file and see how each operator works. For example, A double backslash gives the integer part of the division, and A multiplies. B is like saying 34 to the power of 2. Print A less than 54. Print A less than equals to 60. Print A double equals to 60. Print A double equals to 45. If 60 is equal to A, you can check all the operations. Remember, single equals to is an assignment, double equals to is a comparison. Now let's talk about logical operators. Logical operators helps combine multiple conditions. C equals to true, D equals to false. Now print C and D, print C and C, print D and C, print D and D. And returns true only if both values are true, or returns true if anyone is true. Not reverses the boolean value. Use these to build smart condition in real world programs. Now we can talk about assignment operators. Print A. A plus equals to 3, print A. It modifies the value. You can add 3 in the original value. And here's the other examples for my subtraction, multiplication, modulus, exponential. These assignment operators helps update the value of variable based on its current value. That's it for the video. In the next video, you are going to learn strings. Keep coding.